Hello and welcome to the HorseCraft tutorial video on how to play HorseCraft, the Java MineCraft server. It is public. It is about horses. It's survival, semi-vanilla, super fun, economy, claiming, ride horses with your friends kind of server. You should join. The IPs are on the screen. We actually did have to change them. So if you were a player that played before, you might notice that the IPs have changed. So make sure you update your IP. Anyways, this video is all about how to get started in HorseCraft and how to play HorseCraft. So when you are a new player, this is the inventory you receive. You receive some stone tools, some meat, a boat, some claiming features, some money, saddle, and you actually get a horse spawn egg because we are a horse server. So you can spawn a horse egg and get it that way. One of our most frequently asked questions is how do you get a horse? And you get a horse in a couple different ways. You get a horse when you first start with eggs. You can buy horse eggs at spawn. I'll go ahead and show you guys spawn really quick. So this is spawn. There's some information here if you want to read about our server. There's so much stuff. So I would highly suggest you join our Discord. This is the URL to our website. Lots of information there. If you want to financially help support the server, you can do so at horsecraft.net. We do not have a random teleport. Some people ask about that, but we do a /warp start and it changes frequently. We have a cool stats checker machine where you can buy one of these and then you can see what the stats of your horse is with that. We have two systems actually, because this is the old system over here. So you guys, some people like the old system, so people go off both. This is a different system and people like to compare the two. So yeah, this also tells you the health, speed, and jump of your horse. I did mention we were survival. Keep inventory is not on. We always suggest getting totems. I can show you where the totems are really quick. We've reset the servers a couple times. Navris is an admin. She builds our spawns often. She built this one. We always go with different themes. This is the totem shop, and it's the cool thing about our server is I right-clicked that sign to buy that, by the way. You can have your totem anywhere in your inventory, and if you die, you'll be saved. Whereas in vanilla Minecraft, you have to have it in your offhand. There are some shops around here. I'll let you guys check those out on your own time. And then when you're ready, you're not going to fly like me, by the way. Just me, I fly. So when you're ready, I would read this. You can do /rules. You can see our rules, /info. Tells you there's pages, okay? So you have to do /info2, etc. And then when you're ready, you're going to do warp start. This little chunk is claimed, okay? So you're not going to be able to build your house right here. You're going to have to walk a little bit. And you're not probably going to see some wild horses. I just stuck those there just for today. Somebody's going to grab them at some point. If you're a longtime player, you're going to notice that our claiming system changed. We use lands. You can do lands help for some help. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hello, sir. Anyways, you just spawn your horse just like you would in vanilla. Get a little far. You're going to have to tame your horse and then it's claimed by you. Stand a little far away and you can get the stats. So look in the chat on the bottom left of my screen. You'll see some stats. The horse's jump, the speed, and the health is there too. It says that the tame is disabled because that horse isn't tamed. So yeah, somebody can pick those up. Let's see what else. So let's go ahead and claim something. I need to update this because it's a golden shovel and I'm pretty sure you need a golden hoe. So we'll adjust that afterwards. Yeah. So anyways, you can do when you're ready to like start your first house, you just do /claim and it will make a claim. Let's see if it does it since I already have some. Okay, so test claim. Yeah, so this is my claim. I claimed inside of the green sparklies. You can also, so let's go ahead and just get the golden hoe. I'll fix that. You can also select, so you you would write, and then you gotta read the directions. So I selected the first one, and I did it with my left click. Now I'm gonna right click. Okay, now it's saying, okay, you're not done yet because it's orange. What are we doing? We're gonna claim it. So /claim, that is claimed. Wow, 6 chunks. I'm claiming 6 chunks. I think it connected. Yeah, it connected to my other one. See that? Okay, so this is all mine. And if you really want, if you don't want it, you can unclaim it. Oh, I just unclaimed that 1 chunk. Okay, so remember, this is a new system, okay? So just keep that in mind. I'll fix that later. So another thing that you're going to want to do that we have set up is that you do set homes. So you do /set home. And I would always name them. As a default player, you get 10. If you're a VIP, you get 30. If you're an MVP, you get 50. Those are paid for subscriptions on our website if you're interested. So yeah, always set home, and if you want to teleport, you would do your home and then your name, whatever name you picked, and you teleport right there. You can also teleport to your lands. So we're going to do land, I think it's spawn, yeah. So land /land spawn tests. I spawned right where I made my claim, and it doesn't cost you anything. I could set up a cost if I was evil, but I'm not evil. So I don't make you guys pay for anything like setting up claims or anything like that. I just would rather not. You guys actually can rent like your claims. You can do things, and maybe I'll make a more in-depth tutorial later on lands. But you guys can have, like, let's say you have a horse stables and you want to like rent out parts of it, or you want to rent out like letting people use the stables, so people would pay like a certain amount every month. You guys can actually set that up yourselves. If you want to see more about your lands, you can do /lands menu, and you would see like your different lands. If you hit back, you can get even more information. Mine's a little different, but that's like the basics of lands. We use warps in HorseCraft a lot, so you can do /warps, and you can see all the ones that we have. The ranked people have Caballo in the end. Anybody can go to Caballo. It's our like server neighborhood. It's a work in progress, people. Okay, you guys should check out HorseCraft 2, because we have 2 servers. That one's in 17. This one is currently in 18. We'll go to 19. And right now we are just setting up Caballo, horse in Spanish. Cheval, I think, is horse in French. So, yeah, this should be a little bit more exciting later. We love doing the little neighborhoods. I shouldn't even call them little. They can be giant. You should see Cheval. And then for warp end, this is again like players who want to pay can get here through a warp, but anyone can get to the end. Okay, we just encourage the default players to find the end in the vanilla way. What's it called? A stronghold. So you would find it that way, or you know what, you can just teleport, whatever. You just don't have the warp, okay? You don't have the special thing. Oh, let me go over, hold on, let's just look at these really quick. So yeah, we're lamb claim, PvE, there's no PvP here, people. We do have some disabled items. I've completely disabled redstone. I am sorry to all my redstone lovers, but I am not playing around with redstone. It can just be too laggy. So, yeah, no redstone. We just don't do it. No PvP. We've tried that in the beginning. It was just like a hot mess. So you guys were like attacking each other on accident. Oh, I'm claiming something. I wanted to fix that. If you're a longtime player, you know that our server money used to be gold. And kind of changed that a little bit because of the Nether update. We do a lot with the economy. I'll show you in a second. Okay, now I've made a cute little map. We have some spawn eggs here. These change weekly. Yeah. Oh, this is one of the most handy things ever. /sell. Let's see. I think I can sell my steak. Sell hand. Goodbye, steak. I made some money. Oh, if you sell something and it says like sold for 0 cents because you sold like one of something and it was really cheap, you're still getting that money. It's just It's just a decimal. It's not, it's below a certain amount, so it's not going to show up. Okay, you still get the money. Yes, love that. You can sell tons of things on our server for the economy. This just gives you a little overview of like horse stats with the stats checker, because remember, you can check your horse's statistics using 2 different ways. Staff people. And then I have just an example. You can still use these, but this is kind of now in a way like you don't even have to do this. People used to come to this wall and like sell things. Now I just use /sell if you want to, and you just sell it wherever you're at in the game. But you can always come here and look at examples of how much things are. Like maybe you don't want to sell your potatoes because they're only 2 cents each. It's up to you. But if you sell like stacks, obviously you're gonna make some money. You can decide how you want to play the server. I always recommend playing it like Minecraft, mining things, selling things. That way you make a lot. And then we're selling, okay, so like, for example, I only have red wool listed here. You can sell all the wools. Okay, this is just an example wall of some of the things. Obviously, we're a little empty up there. We got to work on some stuff. Oh my goodness, what else do I want to tell you guys in this sweet little tutorial video? It's just a quickie. That's really about it. I hope you guys join. I've been a little MIA, obviously. Maybe you noticed, and I'll try to get into that in another video once I find this webcam that is missing. But yeah, nice to see you. Come hang out with us on HorseCraft, especially if you used to play and you want to come back and hang out with us. That would be awesome. Make sure you're in our Discord. There's lots of information there all the time. And yeah, I look forward to the Easter, I shouldn't call it Easter, the spring event. We typically do like an epic egg hunt, and you should come. Okay, so we're gonna have that in April. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We'll see you there. All right, videos soon. Bye bye. Take care.